What's going on? This is Roger. I'm going to show you a couple examples of some projects that I've done with Python and OpenCV and YOLO. So here's the portfolio. I am portfolio. Start off with the simple stuff. Here's a audiobook converter. I wrote this program to where inputting this with, as the example I used, 48 Laws of Power PDF. With any PDF, you can use this code and it'll convert it into text to speech. So it will read any PDF as an audiobook, and you can just have this run and listen to whatever PDF or book or anything like that that you would like. So next example, I made this one to train an algorithm to be able to identify traffic signs. Here's the accuracy output of such. So I can use video or pictures and it'll be able to tell exactly what kind of traffic sign that it was with, I believe, 32 different examples. Here's a custom QR codes I'm able to write. This is detecting what specific card out of these groups that I was wanting to look for. Here's the output. Here's some face detection. More face detection. This is face detection on a picture. Here is face detection in real time. You can see it picking up. I've done some drone programming. Here is me streaming video from this Telo drone to the computer. Here is me programming the drone to take off and run autonomous missions. So there it is, taking off. And I'm putting up a picture in front of it for it to do facial detection within the drone. As you can see in this, here are the faces detected in the picture that I was holding up. And here is a color mask we're able to use. I was trying to get the blue as the only one that would be detected and picked up. So here's the mask to put over it, and that's the output. And we'll show this last one. This is a custom object detection. So in this one, I wrote this code as a custom code to identify insulators in these pictures. And so I ran it through this algorithm. It went through 4,000 iterations and it's able to identify insulators in all these pictures. It's got them labeled. As you can see, it's going through these different examples, all these pictures. And that's custom object detection. I'm able to do that with literally any kind of object that I want. So these are just a few examples of some OpenCV, computer vision, Python, YOLO projects that I've done, drone programming, things like that. There's many more to come. I've got some other examples on Google Colab that I'll put on here of some algorithms with deep learning where I programmed Google Colab projects to identify specifically a data set that had examples of malignant and cancerous tumors, and it can correctly identify up to 97% which one is malignant and which one is cancerous. So we'll put that in the links so you're able to check those out too. And like I said, there'll be more to come. This is just one of the first videos that I'm putting out as far as these computer vision ones go.